shit!
I was wondering why I was crab walking.
Oh, that's not good. There's your shade going, Matty.
Looking amazing, bro.
That'd be nice, eh?
How's yours going, Pig?
Non-existent.
I see you're getting a bit red there, sir.
Yeah, mate, yeah. Like a mud crab.
Cooked.
Yeah, cooked.
Orange.
Oh well, at least I'm hydrated. That's what you get! What'd you get?
Was that thing still going?
Yeah, but I was right in the fucking way of it, I think. So Matt just tried to run Cody over, but the chain come off.
It's recording still.
You! Got him again! beast. That was fucking crazy, bro. Don't high five me. Give me a fucking beer. Give me a slap.
Give this man a beer.
Yeah, we got phone. Come on, it's in my pocket.
I don't want to lose this spot because I know there's stuff in here. Just let it drain out. Oh, I feel stuff. I'm trying not to lose my spot.
Watch out if this falls on your fucking head.
Yeah. Where's my baby? Where are you? Where's my bag? Is Osmo in the top pocket of my bag?
I got you right.
Inside one. Ah. Osmo's in here somewhere. Shit.
At least the motor didn't get wet.
Fuck the motor. Where's my Osmo? I didn't know I'd be going for a swim today.
Negative. Oh fuck, that is hot. This is dangerous.
Clearly you didn't do product testing.
I didn't. It was no first
I
ride.
I did. Me and Matty done a whole night. Oh, Matty had a different quad.
I had a little quad.
I had the baby quad. That was just dangerous.
Going around the racetrack and the fucking battery's arcing out around the racetrack.
And it's leaking fuel. You got spark and fuel.
You need that thing off
That's
The
a recipe
Simpsons.
for a
I'm
good
in danger.
That was Matty with his fucking bucket seat on this kid's quad that's no wider than his fucking legs. With the drag race boys, there's a fucking massive pothole in the middle of it.
Yep.
So just remember that.
Make sure Katie...
Lost me beer.
I thought you had the 4-wheel-drive cup holder.
I did. I just hit that little bit of a lip.
Fuck, man, this chain is so loose. How do I adjust this? This chain's gonna be a pain in my ass all fucking day.
Yep.
Especially when we get to the hill and as
Yep.
I'm going arsehole.
But for now, you're good.
But now, we're good.
Beer break. That exhaust is so hot. Look. Uh-oh!
I think you need to get your close.
That stopped! There you go, bro. I do have a park brake, but it's fucking tight. Is that gonna hold us? Nope. Alright, well that just put the adventure into adventure quads.
It's always fucking an adventure.
Absolutely.
Fuck yeah.
No brakes, no fucking worries, mate.
At least when he shits himself, it just comes out the bottom.
Yeah.
Big holes.
That's how we're doing it. Alright, you'll go, sir.
I'm gonna hit this.
How hard?
Flat.
Like it owes you money?
Yeah. Like I'm gonna bail if shit goes sideways. There's no correcting it.
He made it! Matty, you keen?
Kane, let's do it, bro.
Let's do it. That was a little bit sketchy. That looked half
I'm like
bad.
trying to fucking hold on to the tank. The front wheel's like boing, boing. Oh.
Come on over, let me give you a ride.
how the fuck did you beat me up here?
1,000 horsepower, mate.
Where's Matty's quad?
Left down the bottom, bro.
Fucking bullshit. Needs to be up here, otherwise I win. Fuck. Suck shit.
I'm gonna burn this fucking thing.
Did you go over again?
Huh? No, fucking made it to the top of the hill and the cunt fucking stalled.
Oh,
And it locks up going forwards when you're in gear, but it's fucking free spool and going backwards.
oh that's
So there's
handy.
me hanging off the front of the quad trying not to make a tip because I can't lift it up. Dragging back down that fucking hill we got annihilated on yesterday.
Yeah.
And then I just lost the bolt to me fucking carby and it's running like shit.
So successful mission then.
Oh, just an average day in the fucking office to sick puppy, bro.